So today we will learn about artcam 2008 Pro software. First I will click on create new model, and here is our sheet size, normal 244 centimeter by 122 centimeter, and we will select and click OK. Our machine bed size is 130 centimeter by 250 centimeter. So here we go. This is our table sheet size. This is our sheet size 244 by 122, and so here for vectors we go to import, and I check how I find any file have or not. Now for example, this square we will import, and then next step is we will go to the transform vectors. We click on the bottom left corner, and we make both this x and y 0 0. This is width of the square, and this is the height. We can also change. And this one for the rotation, we can rotate 90 degree something, and this one for the moving left or right. This one move y means it will go up and down, minus will be down, and plus will be up, and then we will apply this. Here this will it come to this corner if we not make transform vectors. So for example,